Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the restarting of the train service in Jamaica. Now we are at the Spanish Town, train station, and the government has been currently Jamaica has no passenger train service. They operate train lines from companies to transport aggregate, not passengers, to the port, back to the company. Those trains run. But there is no passenger train service, and Jamaica desperately needs a train service. They recently started a pilot program for students to travel on a train between Spanish Town and Old Harbour. But that service was discontinued because of financial reasons. So, if Jamaica is to ever have trains running again, it will never be like back in the day. There was a time when over 1 million people a year traveled on a train in Jamaica. That was over half the population of Jamaica at the time. And what's ironic is Jamaica had one of the first railway service in the Western Hemisphere. But the train service was stopped because of financial reasons. I think it was back in the 1970s or 80s. They tried to restart it, but it just didn't work. So if Jamaica is to have a railway service again, they should follow the blueprint that was used when Highway 2000 was being built. A study was done about the economic viability of building a highway in Jamaica, a toll road. And the study found that the toll road would work if you were to build it to connect the two international airports and to get people to the tourist attractions. So that was the model used when they worked out the alignment of Highway 2000, and it is a huge success. The route between Kingston and Montego Bay is not even finished, the highway route, but it is very profitable. The company that operates it makes millions of US dollars a year off the existing routes. The bus service between both international airports makes billions of dollars every year. So if the train service is to start in Jamaica, those are the routes they would have to use. Connect both international airports, and Jamaica is actually getting 2 more international airports, one in Negril and one in Ocho Rios. The one in Ocho Rios is already designated an international airport, but it can't land the big planes, but they're expanding the runway, so it will soon be a viable international airport. So if you could connect all 4 of those airports via a train service, that would work in Jamaica. And also, if you could get people to the tourist attractions via train, that would work also. I don't see Jamaica operating a train line between Kingston and Portland or Kingston and Savlamar because it's very expensive. Although some of these tracks are already there, I doubt that would happen. The government is actually in the process of setting up one of those tourist lines from the Jamaica Railway Corporation is initiating phase 1 of a tourist train route connecting Mount Pelion in St. James to the Appleton Estate in St. Elizabeth. This project involves reconstructing tracks, acquiring new trains, and building necessary infrastructure along the route. So that is in the works, and that would be part of the tourist project. So guys, let us know what you think about restarting a train service in Jamaica. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys. Oh, this is actually one of the trains, that's the engine. The yellow part is the engine, and these trains actually run, and the gray part is actually the train cars. Clearly, they're not going to use these train cars when they set up the service. New, more modern cars would have to be brought in, but This is what they were using to transport the students in the pilot project. These engines and those cars. Alright, guys. Have a good day.